Kai, when I was on the phone, what were you doing?
I was interrupting you.
Yeah. Can you tell me how you were feeling? Come over here and do the elephants. Let them on the dishwasher. What were you feeling when I was on the phone? What elephant face?
Silly.
You were feeling silly. Now, if I'm on the phone and you're interrupting me, is that being respectful?
No.
No. So what could you do when you're feeling silly to help you calm down so that you're not interrupting? What could you do? Look over here. What could you do? What's something you could do that helps you calm down?
I could take deep breaths.
Yeah, and what could you go do while Mommy's on the phone? Because I know I'm not giving you attention when I'm on the phone.
And eat shells on my day.
Oh, yeah. So how are you feeling now? And what did you go do? What did you go do when Mommy finally had a talk with you? Because remember I had a talk.
Went to go play NHL.
And what else did you do? It's all right over there. Let's walk over and look. Let's show everyone what you started to do. And you did this by yourself. You started to do what?
Take one this stuff out.
Right. And you started to... What did you
Make a mess.
No, you didn't make a mess. Well, you didn't make a mess, let's be honest. But the mess doesn't matter. You started to... Color. Now, is that a way that helps you when you're feeling silly to concentrate on something different instead of interrupting me on the phone? Yeah. Because how would you feel if you were talking to someone and I kept interrupting you? How would you feel? What elephant face?
Sad.
Yeah. So thank you for being respectful and for listening. I'm going to keep staring at you.
Bye.